Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will talk about some wonderful winter flowering plants that you can grow in your garden for long-lasting color and performance. These plants are hardy and will keep flowering for a long time in your garden. So stay tuned and don't forget to like and subscribe to stay connected. The first plant in my list is carnation. They are related to the dianthus family. They come in many colors and they are extremely beautiful. They also have fragrance which make them more attractive. They are sun-loving plants. They are very hardy and easy to grow. They can live for more than 1 year and they flower all year long. And you can easily grow them from cuttings. So this plant is great for long-lasting color in your garden. I will put the link about this plant in the description, you can check it out. Number 2 in my list is Gazania. They are very popular and extremely beautiful flowers. You can also save these plants for a long time in your garden. They can tolerate some heat and they are very hardy. They can survive more than 1 year in your garden and they will also bloom time to time throughout the year. They need well-draining soil and bright light to flower well, so definitely grow them. My Gazania plants lived for 4 years, so if you protect them from heavy rain and harsh weather, they will live for a long time. The next plant in my list is Hollyhock. This is one of my favorite plants. They grow very tall and they flower a lot. You can save them in your garden for up to 3 years. They will also flower time to time all year long if you maintain them properly. Plant them in a big container with well-draining soil. They are heat tolerant and they will flower well even during the hot weathers. They can be grown very easily from seed. They're great for long-lasting performance, so definitely grow them. Number 4 is Verbena. Verbenas are also very hardy annual plants. They come in various colors and they flower continuously throughout the season. They will flower from winter till summertime. During extreme heat, you can give them afternoon shade. Protect them from heavy rain and they will last long and flower for a long time. They're also quite easy to grow plants and I grow them from seed every year, so definitely add them to your list. The next plant in my list is Stock. They're really great plants and the flowers have a beautiful scent which fills the garden, and in my garden they flower for a long time. They keep on blooming till they die. You can prune the dead flowers to keep them blooming for a long time and give them afternoon shade and protect them from heavy rain in summertime. They're really perfect for long-lasting color in the garden. Geranium is a great plant if you are looking for prolonged flowering. They're quite heat and drought tolerant, and they have lovely flowers that come in various colors. There are also scented varieties available. They live a long time with very little maintenance. They will keep flowering even after winter. Protect them from heavy rain and they will last for a long time in your garden. The next plant is Begonia. These are really great plants if you want continuous blooms for many days. They can be grown in shady areas or partial shade. They can live and flower for many years. You can also grow them from cuttings. They pretty much flower all year long. They're also attractive as foliage plants, so definitely grow them. They're not difficult at all. You can check out my video on Begonia in details, the link is in the description. Next is Salvia. They're one of the best and most easy to grow plants you can have in your garden. They're perfect for beginners. They start flower very quickly and they continue flowering till they die. They're quite tough plants that give you blooms for a long time. They keep flowering even during the hot summers. You can grow them very easily. If you keep the plant in partial shade in summer, they will live and flower for a very long time. This has to be one of my favorite plants. Number 9 in my list is Helichrysum or straw flower. This is a very unique flower. The flowers of this plant is like plastic. They're very tough and they last for many days. They're also drought tolerant plants that you can grow very easily. You should definitely grow these in your garden. Children like this flower a lot, they never disappoint. And you can save the flowers for many days after the plant is dead. The last plant in my list is Petunia. Petunias need no introduction, they are fantastic plants. They bloom a lot and once they start blooming, they don't stop till they die. To keep them flowering, prune the dead flowers regularly and protect them from extreme heat in summertime. In my garden, they keep blooming till monsoon. If you want to know how to grow them from seeds, check out my Petunia video. The link is in the description. So this was my list of 10 easy to grow long-lasting flowers. You can check out the detailed videos in my channel. So definitely grow them and let me know what are your favorite long-lasting flowers in the comments section. Don't forget to like this video and I will see you next time. Bye!